Are you bored? Do you want to do something creative, but all you can find is paper? Well, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to show you some easy craft ideas you can make using just paper, ranging from room decors to DIY gifts and more. Design a secret garden. Using just paper, you can create your own magical space that opens into a world of your imagination. You can customize it into a botanical garden, a cozy greenhouse, a quiet tea house, or even your dream home. Get a rectangular piece of paper and fold it in half. Then fold each half into thirds and cut off the corners to form the shape of a house. Cut a tiny line along each of the sides and fold it inwards to add more dimension. Once your card looks like this, all you need to do is decorate it into a world of your imagination. I decided to design mine into a cozy greenhouse with a lot of plants, but for your inspiration, you can also design your dream home or make it into a museum with a bunch of cool artifacts. When you open the card, it'll reveal the beautiful scenery that you created. This idea is simple, creative, and it feels like building your own little universe. Make a bookmark, the cool kind. Bookmarks are usually just a boring, rectangular piece of paper, but they don't have to be. For this next idea, I'm going to show you how you can make these super cool bookmarks that you've probably never seen before. Get a piece of paper and start by thinking about the type of design you want. I chose to draw a field of lily pads, but you can also draw a field of flowers, a dragon, or anything else that is either curvy or can cover a large scattered surface area. Once you're done drawing, cut this out along the lines and choose one of the upper right segments to cut into. Place the corner of the page through this cut and you'll have the most unique bookmark. A fluttering butterfly. I have been absolutely mesmerized by these paper butterflies that can magically flap its wings, but for the longest time I could not figure out how to make them. But now that I've finally figured it out, I'm going to show you step by step how you can make one too. You can either use colored paper or color on your own designs for the base of the butterfly. All you need to do is draw on the outlines for your favorite butterfly and cut this out along the edges. Get a bottle cap and poke 3 holes on the top and 2 holes on either side. Then bend a metal wire and insert it through the holes on the 2 sides of the bottle cap. Bend the ends so that you can twist it around. Get another wire and tape one end to the bottom of the butterfly. Then, thread the other end through the top of the cap and wrap it around the wire. Thread another wire through the other 2 holes and secure the ends to the wings of the butterfly. As you twist the end of the wire, the center of the butterfly will move up and down to create the illusion of a beautiful butterfly flapping its wings. This DIY uses simple materials to create something that is super fun to play with when you're bored. Fold a paper crown. With just a few pieces of paper, you can create something straight out of a fairy tale. This DIY is super simple, but the results look surprisingly good. Get a square piece of paper and fold it into a triangle. Then fold each half into the center and fold the bottom layers up like this. Repeat this 8 times and connect each of the pieces together by inserting the ends into the previous one. Finally, insert the last triangle back into the first one to form a loop. And just like that, you can turn a few pieces of paper into a beautiful paper crown. If you want to make your crown more unique, you can also customize it by drawing on patterns or sticking on jewels or stars. Do something creative with your sketchbook. The best way to get rid of boredom is to open your sketchbook. Even if you don't feel like drawing, there are still so many creative things you can do to have fun. Open your sketchbook to a fresh new page and get some colored paper. Cut them into the shape of stars and poke a hole in the middle of your sketchbook page. Carefully rip along the borders to widen the hole and add tape to cover the back. Place your stars on top and cover the front with another layer of tape. This sketchbook idea is simple, creative, and doesn't require any artistic skills. If you want to see even more sketchbook ideas, you can also check out my last few videos for inspiration. Make flowers to decorate your room. Flowers are one of the best ways to make your space feel livelier, but they can get pretty expensive. So for this DIY, I'm going to show you how you can make flowers using just paper, which will also last forever. Start by getting some rectangular pieces of paper and fold each of the 4 corners towards the center. Fold the 2 edges into the center, then fold it back along the middle. repeat this 8 times for the flower petals and also make 4 more for the leaves. Add 2 layers of the pink petals onto a green leaf and place these side by side. Use a string or an elastic band to tie them together around the center and spread out each set so that they're evenly spaced. Pull each of the petals upwards so that they're pointing towards the center, and do this layer by layer to form the flower. Do the same for the leaves and you'll end up with a beautiful lotus. This DIY is super pretty and is the perfect room decor to liven up your space. A magic accordion picture. Have you seen those viral pictures that can change depending on the angle you look at it from? Turns out, it's actually super easy to make. Start by getting 2 pieces of paper and drawing on whatever design you want on them. I recommend having one be warm-toned and the other be cool-toned so that you can see the contrast more clearly. I'm drawing on a heart and a star, but you can draw literally anything you want. For example, you can draw 2 faces so that it looks like 2 different portraits in the room. Once you've drawn your pictures, cut them into thin strips and make sure to keep the strips in order. Then, add glue to a long piece of paper and glue on the strips in an alternating pattern. Again, it's very important that you keep each strip in order so that you can reform the picture you drew. Once this dries, fold it back and forth into an accordion. To see the 2 different pictures, you can either flip it or look at it from a different angle. Carve a stained glass window. Stained glass windows are a great way to make your room more colorful, so why not make one yourself? This mini version can act as both a sun catcher and a bookmark for when you read outside. Get a piece of paper and start by drawing on your designs. I decided to make mine fruit themed, but you can also choose to draw on flowers or sceneries. I would recommend keeping the drawing simple so that it's easier to carve out later. Once you've drawn out your pattern, trace out the sections in between to indicate where to carve out. Then, use an X-Acto knife and follow these lines to carve out the patterns. Glue a sun catcher sheet to the back and color in each section using a marker. When you hold it in front of the sun, you'll be able to see all of the rainbow lights shining through. You can also place this against your window to add more colors to your room on a sunny day. Frame a paper butterfly. Paper butterflies are one of my favorite ways to decorate my room. They're so colorful, and you can also be super creative with designing them. Start by getting 2 sheets of paper and drawing on your butterfly design. Then, use alcohol markers to add on a bunch of colors to a plastic sheet and spray it with rubbing alcohol. Press the paper on top and let this dry to transfer on the colors. Repeat this again with the other sheet of paper and use 2 different color themes to make them have more contrast. Once they're both dried, carve out the butterfly design and cut it out along the edges. Trace it onto the other sheet of paper and cut it out too. You can optionally add another translucent sheet in between to add a rainbow reflection, then glue the 2 sheets together in the middle. This DIY is the perfect room decor to add a dash of color to your room. Tunnel through a book. Have you seen those layered artworks that make you feel like you're tunneling through a book? For this DIY, I'm going to show you how you can make one using just paper. Get a few rectangular sheets of paper and start by drawing on your designs. I would recommend keeping each layer relatively simple so that you can see through to the next layer. I decided to draw ocean scenery with a sailboat, but you can also draw a flower garden or anything else with a lot of depth. For each of the layers, carve out the center so that you can see through it. Then, get a long strand of paper and fold it back and forth like an accordion. Glue the sceneries along each of the folds and repeat this for both sides. Finally, you'll have your very own 3D artwork that's perfect as a room decor.